there's always that spark that gets you to want to do what you do as a musician or whatever you do. Someone or something just exposes you to that. And that was my grandfather's basement. He had an old Victrola in his basement with an old shellac record with Nipper spinning around at 78 RPM on it. I just remember seeing Nipper spinning around and listening to this guy, his voice coming out of that brass cone, and just made a huge impression on this old song that you all know, but this is a unique version of it. I want to get it as close as I can to that old record. Old shellac, RCA, his master's voice, spinning around, and there's me, 5 years old, my grandfather's basement, and this unique version. I'll get it as close as I can. I was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see introduced him to my loved one. Said, my friend stole my dream. The night that was Hamilton, the night they were playing to my buddy Aaron Till, who's been doing that for 30 years.